Hey, welcome back. Today we are diving into a problem from LeetCode called plus one. We are going to solve it using Dart. If you are new here or new to Dart programming, don't worry. We will walk through the problem and the solution step by step. So let's have first problem overview. So what's the plus one problem all about? Imagine you are given a non-empty list of digits representing a non-negative integer. Your goal is to increment this integer by 1. These digits are arranged such that the most significant digits are at the head of the list and each element in the list contains a single digit. You can see in the example. So what will be our approach? We will start from the rightmost digit, the unit place, check if it is less than 9. If it is, we will simply increment it by 1. If it is not equal to 9 or if it is equal to 9, we will set it to 0 and move to the next digit towards the left. We will continue this process until we find a digit that is not equal to 9. If we reach the leftmost digit and it's 9, then we will add one more digit at the beginning of the list. So let's start coding. Here we are given with the plus one function that returns a list of integers and receiving a list of integers named as digits. First, I will declare a element to keep track of the length of the list. Here we will get the length of the input list representing the number of digits. Next, I will declare a for loop. This loop iterates through the list or through the digits in reverse order starting from the last digit. Next, we will declare a condition. If the current digit is less than 9, we increment it by 1. Okay, so we have done this case. If the current digit is less than 9, we will increment it by 1 and we will return the digits. Okay. So we have to tackle now the case in which the current digit is 9 and we set it to 0 and continue to the next digit. Digits of I is equal to 0. Okay, so we have set the digits of I to 0. This is for the case if the current digit is 9, so we set it to 0 and continue to the next digit. Next, we have to handle a case if all the digits were 9, we insert 1 at the beginning of the list to represent the current carry. Okay. As here in this example number 3, all the digits in the list are greater than 9, so this if condition will not work. This for loop will work, only this line of code will be run. So in that case we have to add an extra one at the head of the list or at the most significant digit. So how can we do that? Digits dot insert at current at 0 index add 1 and return the list. So that's it. Let's run the program. Okay, case 1 is accepted, case 2 is accepted, and case 3 is also accepted. Let's submit the program. Here is a quick summary. In today's video, we discuss the plus one problem on LeetCode and solve it using Dart language. We followed a simple approach of iterating through the digits, handling carry if needed, and adding an additional digit if required. I hope you find this video helpful and easy to follow along with.